Hi everyone, this is Shehan Wicks from AudiSportExpert.ca over at Audi Midtown Toronto. I just want to give a quick tutorial on how to use the radio settings in the Audi Q3 and a lot of other touchscreen MMIs that we have, the multimedia unit that we have here right now. So right now we're going to just go back to home, and if we click on the radio on there, we're going to put this on mute. Mute you can do over here by just clicking on that, or down at the volume you can click there for mute. Now let's say right now we're in Sirius Satellite XM in the band, and we want to pick some stations that we want to add to our presets, or in other words, favorites. Now they use the term favorites. So let's just, we're just gonna scroll through. Let's say we want the 90s there, and I'm just gonna put it on mute, and instead of saying presets, now it's this star that indicates favorites. So we're gonna click on that, and your station has been stored as a favorite. Let's find some other ones on another band. We're gonna go into the source, and then from here we're going to go into FM radio. I'm going to turn that off. Now we're going to pick 99.9 and make that into a favorite as well. So click once again onto the storage there, into a favorite, and now let's pick AM station. We're going to pick an AM, and let's pick 680. All right, and we're going to click on this and store. Now we have a few already preset stored, so we want to go into source, we want to look at favorites. Click on favorites, and now those three are in there that we stored. All right, now let's say we want to go back. We'll go back in here, and we can always go into click more. Let's turn that off. More, and we can see title as Sirius XM Satellite Alert, or Artist Alert if you want to be alerted for that. You can also save it as a shortcut. And what do I mean by a shortcut? Well, let's save that there. Now it's been saved as a shortcut on that. So if we go back out here, we can always go back into our shortcuts, and there you can see we have some shortcuts that we can go straight into. Back into radio on that, click out of there, and so we can go into this setting here, and let's say we want to move things around. I want to bring 680 up, so push and hold and drag it up top. There we go. Now let's say we want to get rid of something. Click on this. Say we don't want to have 99.9 as a favorite anymore. We want to delete it, so we just check mark it there, click delete. Now that entry is gone. Okay, hit done. Going into the gear here, HD radio FM, so it gives you better quality sound. We can do the same thing with AM as well. On that, I've managed alerts, sorting channels, and then Sirius subscribe, online additional data. On that, hit that, and back to source. What else do we have? Searching manually. Okay, so what station are you looking for? So let's say CHFI. Click on that, and there it is, and we're back in there. Okay, you're just going to mute that. Let's make that a favorite. So I hope that shows you what you're looking for. Back into source. Now back into favorites, and there it is. Okay. So if you have any questions, or have some issues, or just want to learn how to do certain features in the Audi, please send me an email. You can email me at shahan@audimidtown.ca, or just send me a message on the channel here. So please like and subscribe to Shehan Wicks on YouTube. All right, thank you and have a great day.